Hi, it's Chris Wright here. I'm the CEO of Tyro Security, and I'm excited that we are putting together some videos in partnership with the Diana Initiative for their virtual conference, which is this Friday and Saturday, August the 21st and 22nd. We're going to be covering, I've titled it Where It All Went Wrong, and we're basically going to be covering tips for both candidates and hiring managers to try and help with the hiring process and give both parties the best chances of finding the people that they're really looking for and the jobs that they're really looking for. And joining me on this is Chrissy Morgan, one of my wonderful colleagues. So first off, who is this bloke? As much as I would love to be the next James Bond, I'm sadly not. I've been told at least I have the accent for it, even if I don't have the looks. Now, been in recruitment for over 20 years now. 8 years ago, I started Tyro Security. So I am literally a grey beard. I think over the last 8 years, I really have had my nice stubble and very grey. I'm not sure whether that's just an age thing or whether that's just recruiting in cybersecurity. Who knows? Back in 2012, I founded Tyro Security, which is a cybersecurity staffing and professional services firm. I'm very, very keen diversity ally, and actually pretty excited that very shortly we're going to be launching our next CISO program, which is a program, like an apprenticeship program, that's really looking to try and help underrepresented groups within cybersecurity get better representation. I'm a bit of an industry face, or an industry accent is what everybody else seems to remind me that I am. I've spoken at quite a few conferences. Just this year, it's been RSA, the DEF CON, the Wild West Hacking Fest, and it will be my second year actually in November speaking at the ISC Squared Security Congress. I'm a member of the Cloud Security Alliance and a founding board member and the current president of the Southern California, Los Angeles chapter. I also sit on the advisory board for the National Cybersecurity Training and Education Center, Insight. And then what do? Well, I run the company. I always say CEO stands for Chief Everything Officer in a small business, and that's definitely the case. Work a lot with clients, trying to help them, especially when they've had positions open for some time and they call on us to try and help get them filled, looking at their process, advising on CISO roundtables and advising chief of staffs to try and help them find the people that they want, and just really trying to help them find the right clients. Now, I'll pass you over to Chrissy. She can tell you a little bit about herself.
Hi, everyone. I'm so glad to be here. Thank you for having me. I work with Tyro Security. I'm a senior security recruitment consultant here. And what that means is I work with a lot of clients in every industry and vertical in the security space. And so sorry, Chris, UPS just came and it totally distracted me.
It's quite amusing. This is the wonders of working from home, right?
It totally is. Sorry, guys. So I also volunteer. I do a lot of volunteer work with women's, various women in tech groups. I've done a lot of resume reviewing and interview prep as a volunteer, but also as a professional. As a recruiter, I look at a lot of resumes. So really looking forward to helping everyone with a couple of videos. And you can also find me as an online yoga instructor. So for candidate advice, I will be offering a video, all of my top tips for writing your resume. It's the advice that I give to my candidates on a regular basis, and also when I'm volunteering in the security community. And then interview preparation basics, just really helping you hone your interviewing skills.
And I'm going to be focusing on what I call the big three, which are the three biggest reasons that companies really struggle to get the people that they want and attract the people that they want. So the three areas that mistakes and gaps in job description, the interview process, and at offer time. And I'm a big believer in lots of kissing through the whole of all processes. Keep it simple. So it's so important. We complicate far too many things, and we really don't need to. So just remember, keep it simple. So here's our contact details. There's my Twitter. I tend to really publish most of my stuff straight from LinkedIn and it goes onto my Twitter. So I apologize in advance for anybody that's messaging me on Twitter. I do tend to take a bit longer to get back to them. I'm much better on LinkedIn, so you should definitely connect with me on there. There's Chrissy's there as well. I think Chrissy's much like me. She's a big LinkedIn user. We probably both need to get better at using Twitter. And you can always check our website out if you want to know more about the company or contact us via there. And it's www.tyrosec.com. So look, thank you so much for your time. Thank you, UPS man, for annoying us right at the time of this. I hope you enjoy all the videos we've put together. Please give us feedback. Take care.
Thanks, everyone.